What are you showing?
Putting all the bits on. I'm going to put the door on this side tomorrow. I've been putting all these rubbers in. And there's all these things have been painted, look, with the headlights.
Ah, I
I've
see.
loads of stuff inside there.
You cannot go closer.
All painted and done. I put the grill in the front. That's already on there. Look.
Oh, I see.
And all the black bits of the headlights and for that.
Nakikita nyo yan? Can you see that?
Wings on, I can put all them in.
Ah, I see. Ah, you're making a good progress.
Putting all the bits and bats. All the field around here as well. Around this one.
This is the old door.
This is the new door.
And that is a new door. This is the new one.
So I've been restoring all these components and stuff.
You can see.
Yeah, so
Compared to this, oh my goodness.
that's what erosion.
Very rusty. And that's it. That's the update.
That one you're pointing right
So sabi ni Mr. merong baka na kakapanganak pa lang. I'm not sure kung makikita nyo talaga. But meron siyang baby. Oh, calf. Calf.
Yeah.
Calf. Hindi nyo siguro makikita. Basta meron doon, oh.
The next day.
Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So, I apologize but this is my morning face. I haven't got anything on my face. Nothing. Not even a moisturizer. So, magmo-moisturizer muna tayo. Kasi sobrang dry ng face ko. Last night, I did not sleep well kasi I started coughing last night and then it is just probably a dry throat kasi medyo mainit sa kwarto dito, mainit. Then, when you started coughing, you're thinking of something. So, I am probably making something of nothing. Alam mo yun na, basta. May mga, kasi alam nyo naman yung mga pangyayari. Nakakatakot na. But, hindi na naman ako nag-cough this morning. So, which is good. Early this morning, uminom ako ng, ng lemon, warm water. Then, nilagyan ko siya ng lemon juice. Yung, lang, in bottle. Kasi wala akong fresh lemon. Pero, pwede na yon. And, after nun, humiga ako ulit. And then, nagmuni-muni lang. So, tinawagan ko yung manager ko kanina and sabi ko na unfortunately meron akong just a cough. So, I don't know if I have something or not. Pero sabi niya na mag-day off ka muna for one day and then we'll just wait for something kasi sa pinagtatrabahuan ko kasi I don't know, too much detail kasi na i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyayari sa sa tinatrabahoan ko, but it's not good. It's not looking good. We're not happy kasi wala kaming enough na equipment. Basta, it's sad. So anyway, kain muna ako ng breakfast. Yung time dito is 10:35 na ng umaga. So, meron akong leftover na mashed potato dito. Yan. Lalagyan ko siya ng itlog. Then, pipitrohin. So, yung itlog, imimix lang natin siya sa mashed potato. Then, mixed it. And isa na rin siguro sa mga dahilan na hindi ako nakatulog. Sobrang weird na matulog ako mag-isa. sa kabilang kwarto. That's my first time na matulog talaga sa kabilang kwarto. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting pepper. So, sana ngayon, 8 hours sana ako. So, yun na nga, sinabihan ako na mag-day off muna. Then, see how you are doing today. And, it seems okay naman na yung cough nawala. So, it's probably just, sinabi ko nga, baka makatilan talaga yung lalamunan ko kasi mainit kagabi. But, you never know. So, tomorrow, 14 hours ako. And then later on, I have to ring my manager or she will ring me kung how I am doing. Then, ipiprito natin. Para siyang pancake ba in a way. Gamitin natin ito. Gamitin natin tong spatula natin para masimot talaga ba. Oh, diba? Ewan. Oh, diba? Simot na simot. Kaya pala, nire-recommend nyo talaga na bumili ako ng spatula kasi maganda talaga siya. Yan, sobrang simot na simot. Then, we're just gonna spread it around the pan. While naghihintay tayo dyan, magdilig muna tayo sa ating strawberry and kamatis, yung sa seed box natin. Parang nawawala yung hope ko sa ating strawberry, yung supposedly giant strawberry, kasi wala talaga akong nakikitang tumubo. Well, meron, pero I really think na ito yung tumutubo is weed siya. It looks like a weed to me, so what do you think? What do you think, mga palangga? Ha? What do you think? It doesn't look a strawberry plant to me. It looks like a weed. So, probably it's a weed. Pero hahayaan muna natin siya dyan. Para naman may, di ba? May tao dyan sa ating tao. May plant sa ating strawberry box. And tingnan nyo yung tomato box ni John, ni Mr. Yeah, marami nang tumubo. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 na yung tumubo. So, yun na. Hala! Hala, naparami yung tubig na nalagay ko. Oh, no. Kuha tayo ng paper towel. Kasi yung ginagamit namin na blow paper, kung napapansin nyo, every time ako na naglilinis or dito, kung napapansin nyo, meron talaga kaming blow paper. Ginagamit namin yun pang cleaning, pang linis. Pero naubusan na kami. So, hindi. Nag-try kaming kumuha, pero wala. Out of stock. Kaya ito na lang yung kitchen paper na lang yung gamitin natin. Ay! Oh my goodness. Ano man siya? Hindi siya perfect, mga palangga. Kasi, ay. Never mind. Para talaga siyang fluffy pancake. Sana, ang ginawa ko, hindi ko siya nilagay sa pan in one go. Magmumukha talaga siyang pancake. Ready! Oh, by the way, chinek ko naman yung temperature ko. And okay naman. So, which is a good sign na I am okay. Well, hopefully, because, you know, some people doesn't show any symptoms. So, I'm just hoping na okay ako. Kasi yun na nga, wala akong, temperature. So, fingers crossed na lang. So, kakain muna ako mga palangga, ha? So, ito yung breakfast, well, lunch. Breakfast slash lunch natin. And manonood lang ako ng TV. And after this, do a bit of studying again. Yan na. Magluluto na tayo. It's tea time here. So, ito na naman tayo. I got a bit of headache. Ano ba? Ano ba yung hinahanap ko sa fridge? Bakit ba ako nandito? Fries. Oh, ayan. Lola na. Hindi na ako makapag-isip nun tama. Stress lang kasi ako pag pasensya na. But I'm trying to pull up myself, you know, not to worry too much. So, yung tea pala natin is fries, cake, and ito. And si Mr. bibigyan ko siya ng 2 kamatis. Kasi yung kamatis natin, nabili namin to nung last time kami ng grocery. Pero tingnan nyo, nasira. Well, pasira siya ba? Can you see that? Ayaw niya mag-focus. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Basta ito, oh. Meron siyang mold dyan. At ito, it's starting as well. So, yeah. So, 2 na lang before siya masira. So, pat dry lang natin. Then, lalagyan natin ng peppercorn, salt, and isprihan natin ng vegetable oil. Salt, pepper, si Mr. alam niyo, all afternoon si Mr. nandoon siya sa workshop just to keep away from me. Which is good naman, pero namimiss ko si Mr. kasi hindi ko siya mayakap, hindi kami makapag-kiss. But then, we have to do our social distancing. I feel so anxious of waiting kasi meron kasi akong hinihintay from work. And until now, hindi pa din kami in-inform. So, we are all waiting. And yung WhatsApp ko, sobrang busy niya na, hoy, ano na chika? Meron na bang news? Wala. Ganun. So, we are all nervous sa news. Ito na pala yung ating steak. Yan. Pagpasensyaan nyo na, sobrang ingay nito. Ito yung gusto ni Mr. Oh, tingnan nyo. May mga fat spots. Naku naman tong taong to. Yung grilled namin, I don't know what's the temperature kasi ito lang siya. Itong circle, indicating siya na naka-turn on siya full on. Ito is half siya. Yan. So, I don't know kung ano yung temperature. Sa oven naman, madalas kong temperature na ginagamit is 170 Celsius. Hindi nyo na nakikita kasi yun na ang feed na. So, ito na siya. Finished product. Mister! It's ready.
Mister is here for you.
Come on.
Havings, beans and milk and burgers. What do you need, darling?
Nothing.
Switch it off then. You don't have to hide from me, darling. No mushrooms.
No mushroom. We don't have any mushrooms.
You've eaten all the mushrooms. She's eaten all the peas. Drinks. Drinks now.
Yes, please. Can you get me a drink, please? So, yeah.
The next day.
Good morning. Hang on, it's so dark. Second night na we did not sleep together. Ang pangit ng ilaw dito. So, 14 hours sana ako ngayon, but my manager texted me yesterday, late na actually, tinext niya ako na wag na lang daw ako papasok kasi yun na nga, inubo ako. Konting cough lang naman. So, yun na nga, baka just one of those tickle in your throat and that's why you're coughing. And sabi ko sa kanya na wala naman akong temperature and hindi na naman ako nag-uubo, but she said just, you know, for the precaution, for everyone's safety as well. So, just stay at home kasi ito kasi yung last shift ko before ako magha-holiday kasi today is Friday and after that off na sana ako for the Philippines for the 27. So 5 weeks off na ako. So yun, how's everyone doing? Oh, nag-change na yung color ng lighting. I see. Pabirong sabi ni Mr. kagabi na because we're not sleeping together, i-divorce daw niya ako. Sabi ko sa kanya na pabiro din. Sabi ko na you don't need to divorce anyone because there's no point if I get it and I pass it to you and one of us will die. So just save that for the funeral. It's not nice to say, but you know, you just have to joke around about it. Sabi ko, we need to keep our distance. You need to understand that. Which he understand naman. So, kanina pa ako nagising, 6 o'clock. Hindi ko lang alam. Hello, Teddy. Kasi yun na nga, pag meron akong trabaho, 6 o'clock talaga ako nagigising to get ready for work, have my breakfast, and sort myself out. But, wala. Hindi ako pinapasok. Still going strong. How are you mga palangga? Okay lang ba kayo? Kamusta yung mga pamilya niyo? May mga nakita ako sa comment na mga bad news, pero manalig lang talaga tayo sa Diyos. Yun lang talaga yung magagawa natin. Let's pray for everyone. Ay, natatakot. Sobrang nakakatakot talaga yung mga sitwasyon ngayon. Nablangko yung utak ko. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Wala pa talaga akong hilamos or mumug or nag-toothbrush man lang, wala. So, pagpasensyahan nyo. Takpan nyo yung ilong nyo. Oh my goodness. Look who's here. He just cannot keep his distance.
How can I keep the distance from my beautiful
Honey, don't be hard-headed.
I'm 2 meters. Don't panic, Mrs. Mallory. Look, I've got my tape measure.
You go, hon. Come on.
I'm going. Bye-bye. I
Bye.
can't believe you just don't want to be with your husband.
Don't be crazy, husband.
She doesn't.
Come on.
Sickness in health, he told me. He said the day I married you, sickness in health.
You sent me here, remember? Don't give me that.
Prevention is better than cure.
So don't complain.
Would you like coffee?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
Just this man just cannot. He is so hard-headed.
What?
So binuksan niya yung window. Hello, tingnan niyo yung eye bags ko, nako. So mag-shower muna ako. Excuse me. Mag-shower muna ako and mag-ayos-ayos din ako ng konti. Alam niyo ba kung ano lang yung ginawa ko ngayon? I'm just doing my assessment for my psychology and napass ko siya ngayon and nasabi ko na to na napass ko na din yung resubmission ko. So, hintay-hintay na lang sa feedback ng aking tutor. And kanina, first ever video ko sa TikTok. Kasi gumawa ako ng TikTok mga last month siguro yun. Pero hindi ako nag-upload ng video agad kasi hindi ako marunong. So, tingin-tingin ako sa YouTube tutorial. So, yun. Nandito yung video. Mag-i-insert siguro ko. Yung TikTok challenge na ginawa ko is yung t-shirt challenge. Ang hirap pala. Ang sakit-sakit ng dito ko. Mga 5 attempts siguro. Buti na lang hindi ako nabalian. Akala nyo no, kayo lang yung addict. First time ko siyang like parang gumawa talaga ng video and I'm having fun. Nakakatuwa talaga. That's why marami ang na-addict sa pagti-TikTok. So if you like lang naman mga palangga, i-follow niyo ako sa aking TikTok at Mia Sandoval 0001. Ilalagay ko dito and yun na nga, mag-insert siguro ako dito ng video kung ano yung ginawa ko at para makita niyo naman. So anyway mga palangga, pagpasensyahan nyo na talaga yung vlog natin ngayon is parang constructed vlog siya kasi wala akong what do you call this? Wala ako sa mood mag-vlog ba. Marami lang talaga akong iniisip and this will be the 3rd day na sinabi ko sa inyo na inubo ako at hindi naman ako umubo ulit. Wala akong temperature. So, 4 more days para completely or back to normal tayo. So, makakatulog na tayo doon sa normal bedroom natin. And, yun na, makakikis-kiss na tayo kay Mr. So, anyway, I'll see you in my next vlog. I-end ko na to mga palangga. So, mag-ingat po tayo. And please, stay at home as much as possible to stay safe and keep your distance. So, yun lang po talaga kasi sobrang serious na ngayon sobrang serious tong virus na to. So, please po, mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Keep on praying. He is with us. Alam ko, He is with us. So, manalig lang po tayo. So, bye! Mwah! Mwah!